Actually, thank you very much, EIF, for having me here today to talk about, or in this open virtual debate on Open RAN. As you know, we as ETSI are the standards makers here, or the ones facilitating standards making, and are trying to help all our members to build these standards. We are talking about Open RAN, and as several of you have already said, Open RAN is basically splitting our RAN interface into smaller subcomponents. Now the point is that the RAN interface is this connection between the terminal and the network. And as several of you have already said, it's brought huge efforts to be able to have this interface properly standardized. I think we learned from the experience of GSM being a great standard that was worldwide taken. I think this was a great European success. And there we understood that we needed to bring everybody together, and we created this 3GPP project. And here's where all the rest of Gs have been coming, and all these technologies have been having this RAN interface. Now we're talking about further splitting this RAN interface. These discussions have been going for a long time, but we need to understand that standards are fundamental. There's a huge investment behind to make sure that the standard is right and ensures interoperability, because this is the only way in which at the end of the day, we will be able to open and broaden the market, bring in innovation and competition. If those standards, if these elements that enable the different components, the different pieces to interwork properly are not well defined, then we will not have what we are looking for, which is a solid system that can be widely deployed by a wide market, which is secure, which is sustainable, which can grow. So it's all around standards. Industry operators know it and put a lot of effort behind it. And this interoperability, to get it, is not just writing a few standards. I mean, the whole ecosystem that comes with it is fundamental, because there is where we will have rising all the issues, all the difficulties that might bring this opening of the interfaces and what it takes to make it reliable, high quality. Only through these standards that will enable interoperability, we will be able to reach a healthy growth, and we will prevent and avoid that market fragments. I think we've learned with history that it's extremely important that we come together, that we are able to develop and put our resources together so that the outcome is really as we expect, and is solidifying and making and putting the foundations for what's to come next. So it's a great first step to innovation. It's a great step to competitivity. So however Open RAN is coming, what we need to ensure is that it really comes with the right specifications, high quality specifications, properly tested with regards to interoperability. And this will see the market step by step as time goes by. It will come at the right point in time as market requires, but should never hamper the overarching RAN infrastructure and standardization, which is coming from the, in this case, 3GPP. As ETSI, we will continue to support this growth in standardization around 3GPP, and we'll welcome as well that new standardization challenges come and fill in the full picture. So with this, I'll stop my speech. Thank you very much.